Okay, you just stay there. Mommy's gonna show you the animals and you have to show mommy where is the animals. Okay. This is a horse. Can you get the horse? Get the horse. Get the horse. Good job. Oh, put here. Put here. Put here. Good job. How about you find a duck? Can you find a duck? Duck. Get the duck. Get the duck. Where's the duck? Good job. Put here. Put here the duck. Very good. How about what's next? You find the cow. Cow. Cow says moo. Very good. So you get the cow. Go get the cow. Where's the cow? Cow. Good job. Put the cow here. Put the cow here. Very good. Oh no, sorry. Next. What's next? It's a sheep. What does a sheep say? Bah. Oh, you get the sheep. Sam, you get the sheep. Come on. Where's the sheep? Sheep. Go get the sheep. Oh, get the sheep. Put here. Put on the picture. Good job. Now, we find a cluck, 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 cluck. A chicken. Go get the chicken. Where's the chicken? Chicken. 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 Oh, put here. Put here the chicken. And we have a pig. Where's the pig? Can you get the pig? Go get the pig and put here. A pig. Good job. A pig say oink oink. Good job. Put her there. Give mommy a high five. Give mommy a high five with the pig. But oops, I have another one. Where's the donkey? Can you get the donkey for mommy? Get the donkey and put here. Go get the donkey. Whoopsie. And put on the picture. Donkey.